Tired of marketing in the dark? Let's illuminate your customer journey with Kissmetrics. First, let's get acquainted with the Kissmetrics dashboard. This is your mission control here. The overview section presents a snapshot of your most important metrics, key trends in a single place. Think of it as the heartbeat of your business, right at your fingertips. Now, let's dive into the people section here. You'll see individual user profiles. Click on a user to see their entire activity history on your website or app, but the real power lies in segmentation. You can group users based on their behaviors, demographics, or any other criteria you define. This is how you create targeted marketing campaigns. To create a segment, just click New Segment, then define your criteria. For example, let's say we want to target users who viewed a specific product page but didn't add it to their cart. Select View to Page as the trigger. Then specify the product page URL. Another criteria, did not add to cart. Name your segment and save. Voila! You now have a group of highly engaged, but not yet converted, users. Next, let's automate some magic with email automation. Head over to that section and click Create New Campaign. Now craft personalized email sequences triggered by specific user actions for our previous segment. Let's send a follow-up email reminding them about the product they viewed with a special offer. Set up your trigger, design your email, and schedule it. You're now re-engaging potential customers without lifting a finger. Finally, let's leverage the reports section. Kissmetrics offers a variety of reports, from funnel analysis to cohort analysis. Explore these reports to uncover valuable insights about your user behavior. Funnel reports help you visualize drop-off points in your conversion process, while cohort analysis helps you understand how user behavior changes over time. Armed with these insights, you can optimize your marketing campaigns and drive sustainable growth.